Okay guys, in this lessons right here, we're gonna learn how to convert from standard form into vertex form, okay? So standard form, which is y equal to ax squared plus bx plus c, and then our job is to convert it into vertex form, which look like y equal to a parentheses x minus h parentheses squared plus k, okay? So the main idea in this one is that in order to convert from standard form to vertex form, we need to find the vertex, right? And remember, we talked about how to find the vertex when we learned how to graph a week ago. So to find the vertex, you use the formula x equal to negative b over 2a. And then you find half of it, you found the x part, and then get that answer, plug into the original to find the y part, okay? So let's look at number one. So in number one, we have this standard form equation, and your job is to convert it to vertex form, okay? So step one, find the vertex. Let's identify A, B, C first, okay? A, B, and C. A is 1, B is negative 14, and C is 39. And remember, we get all of these numbers from the coefficient, okay, of the variables. A is in front of x squared, B is in front of x, and C is the last number. Now I'm going to plug it into using the formula negative b over 2a. So x equal to negative b, which is negative 14 over 2a, which is 1, right? So x equal to negative, and negative is a positive 14 over 2, which is x equal to 7. Okay, so now we found half of it. To find the other half, I'm going to use this answer right here and plug into where the x is, okay? So y equals to x squared minus 14x plus 39. So y is equal to x squared 7 squared minus 14 times 7 plus 39. So that's 49, and that's going to give me minus 98 plus 39. So y is equal to negative 10. Okay, so my vertex is at 7 comma negative 10. Okay, but that's not our answer. We need to put that into as vertex form, right? So my vertex form is y equal to a, which is from here, which is a 1, invisible 1, right? But we're not going to write it in. So x minus h is 7, so minus 7, square, and then minus k, plus k, which is minus 10. And this is your answer right here. Okay? Okay, here's number 2. So number 2, same thing. We're going to find the vertex. So to find the vertex, we're going to use x equal to negative b over 2a. Oh, I forgot to identify a, b, c. So a is 2, b is 8, and c is 7. Okay? So it becomes negative b, which is negative 8, 2 times a, which is a 2. So negative 8 over 4, which is negative 2. Now I'm going to use my equation, original equation, and get this answer over here, negative 2, plug into all the x's. So y is equal to negative 2 squared plus 8 times negative 2 plus 7. So that's going to be positive 4 minus 16 plus 7. So that's 8 minus 16 plus 7. And if you add and subtract all of this together correctly, you should get negative 1. So that means my vertex is at negative 2, negative 1. So the vertex form is going to be y equal to a. In this case, a is a 2. So it's not a 1 anymore, right? So you put a 2 here, bx plus 2 squared minus 1. And you're done with vertex form. Okay. Okay, let's move on to the next one. Number 3. So in number 3, same thing. We're going to identify a, which is negative 1, b is 10, and c is negative 20. So finding the vertex, negative b over 2a. So negative b is negative 10. 2 times negative 1. So that's going to give us positive 5. Okay. Now we're going to find y using our original equations. So negative x be 5 squares plus 10 times 5 minus 20. So this right here is not positive 25 because we have this negative right here in front. So 5 squares, 25 times that negative 1, that'd be negative 25. Plus 50 minus 20. So this is going to be 25 minus 20, which is 5. So my vertex is at 5, 5. So my final answer is a, right? But a is negative right here, negative 1. So it becomes negative x minus 5 squared plus 5. Okay, let's move on to number 4. Okay, so same thing, identify A, B, C. A is 6, B is 12, and C is 1. So x equal to negative b over 2a. So b is 12, so negative b will be negative 12. 2 times a is 6. So negative 12 over 12. So x negative 1. Let's find y. So to find y, I use my original equation again and plug it in. So negative 1 square is 1 times 6 is 6 minus 12 plus 1. So my vertex is at negative 1, negative 5. So the final answer is, remember, vertex form is y equal to a, and a in this case is 6, right? So it becomes 6 x plus 1 square minus 5. And that's my final answer here. Okay? Have fun with the homework, guys.